Hey, what's up, guys? This is Chris with Downshift Productions. You also know me as Got Boost. I'm over here at Javi's garage. We're going to be doing some headlights on a 17 Subaru WRX, which is mine. But before we begin, I'm going to give you a nice little tour of its garage. As always, it's beautiful Datsun 280Z, looking clean as fuck as always. And if you don't know, that's its Instagram. Go ahead and look him up.
Yeah, just give me a ring and let me know what's up, right? Alright, hey, what's up, man?
Hey, what's going on, brother?
Chilling, baby. What's up, guys? Welcome to another episode of Cam Garage. We're here with Chris's WRX 2017. We're gonna do a headlight change on this car. It's gonna look amazing. Come over here. As you see right now, we got the normal fogging and water damage inside, which I guess the seals go bad after a while. The headlight starts getting wet inside. Very bad look. Not a good setup. So we're gonna get rid of that shit. We're gonna do the unbox reveal pretty soon. And we're gonna get into this baby right here. So let's see what we got here. Boom. We got some, what do you call it? Pairing, right? Some pairing parts, all red to match. We're gonna get in here. We're gonna take off some bolts from here, some clips on the sides, on the bottom. There's 9 on the bottom, 2 on the sides, 6 on the top. Remove the bumper. We'll go in with the new headlights. Might be a little bit of work or finishing here and there, but we'll get it going. All right. So welcome back to another episode of the Cam Garage, baby. Get her done. Yeah. So here we have 10mm bolts right on top. You're gonna have right across the top is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 right across. Well, no, actually there's 6. My bad. 6 bolts all across, and then you got some plastic clips. You're gonna need a flathead screwdriver to take them off. So we'll go ahead and do that, and then we'll have just the top part. It's just that, very simple. You'll remove this black trim right here, and it'll come right off. So stay tuned for part 2. 6 bolts off the top. That's gonna remove this plastic trim right here. Now we have these plastic clips you gotta get off. So you wanna go ahead and put your flathead screwdriver, pop them up, boom, 1, 2. Same deal here. Just be careful, guys. Sometimes they might be sitting for a while and be a little brittle. It might break on you. So you got that off, and then you got your trim. Now we're talking. We're getting there. Stay tuned for the next. All right, so now the hardest process is lifting up the car. You have to find your lift point, pinch point on the side that's under your side skirt here in the front. Even if you have a lift kit, you'll be fine. It's designed to flex, so it should be fine. So we're gonna go up now. Once we go up, then you're gonna have, and we'll go to that step later. You're gonna have one clip here, one clip on the other side. The whole front bumper from the top side would actually loosen up. Therefore, now once you raise the car up, you're gonna get access to the 9 bolts on the bottom, holding the bottom bumper barrier. So we're gonna show you that in the next one.
Hey, you think that my car is high enough, Javi?
It's hot as fuck. That motherfucker's hot.
So how does it feel to squeeze in a tight place?
Sucks.
Really? You don't like being in tight spaces?
Fuck you, Kurt.
What you doing now, Javi?
Getting the bottom clips on. The bumper. Put all the clips off. Take the bumper off. Good. Get this baby off. This bitch off from here. Alright. So we removed all the bottom bolts. On the bottom, or sorry, not bolts, they're clips. I think there's like 9 of them on the bottom. Just pull the bumper forward. These are all clips in here, man. They just clip, blah, blah, blah. Got access to the headlights. You ain't even got to touch the bumper. You leave it right where it sits, right there. step is going to be removing 1, 2, 3. This is the headlight cover right here. It's like a bracket that holds it in, and then there's an hole in it. Yep, 2, 3, 4, like 5 bolts. Then we'll take the headlight off. Then we'll put the new headlight in. We'll show you how that goes. All right, stay tuned. Cam Garage.
You're really good at screwing, Javi.
You know it, brother.
Even
Master Flex. Yeah, so right now we're taking off the all the bolts of the headlight. So you got 2 here on the top, and then there's like a headlight cover, a bracket that holds the headlight as well. So you gotta take this one off here in the front. You can kind of have a drill. Faster. Oh well, I like the old classic way. Take this fucker off. There's more here on the side. Yep, another one here. Might even be a clip too, so we going, baby. We going.
Yep.
Alright, so headlights out. Gotta remove this clip right here. This actually activates the whole headlights. And here's the piece of shit.
filled with water.
How about that? Looks like fucking Hurricane Ian was in there. Fucking just jamming his cock in there. Yeah, look at that man work.
What can I say? I learned from the best.
Yeah, this is a nice car, man. Shout out to all the boys out there with the STIs, WRXs, Subarus. We got love for all the cars, man. I enjoy working on any car, anytime. Just don't get used to it and be calling me up, hey, help me out with my car, because I never have time. Right, Chris?
Absolutely. He's always helping me with my car.
Chris likes to pay me with IOUs. Look at that butt crack. Oh, shit. All right. Ugh. Let's get her done. Give me the money. Oh shit. Actually the whole headlight. Alright, you ready? Ooh, man, look at them sexy fucking. Oh my god. Love it. Alright, so here we have what brand are these, Chris?
Spider.
Alright, so we have the Spider WRX, obviously, right? Because STI is a different bumper or whatever, different setup. So these are WRX 20, what year is this car?
17.
Yeah, but from what year were 2015?
Oh, from 13 all the way up to 18.
13 to 18, WRX. We highly recommend the product. It's got a great finish. So this in here lights up. What are these? This is like a blinker or?
The U-shape is running lights.
Running light, and then the blinkers in here.
Yep.
All right, so as I expected, let's see. Yeah, just as I expected. So you're gonna have your normal clip here, but then you're gonna have to wire up your blinker, which is fine because I'm a master certified AAC street gangster, so I got this.
Boom.
Oh, there you have it. There's the first headlight on, and let me tell you something. It's incredible. The finish, the look. We don't even have the bumper on yet, but I mean, right off the fucking bat, man, it looks amazing. I love it. I really like the upgrade, my brother. So we're gonna finish the other side. Stay tuned, and then we'll go for a final ride, right?
Yes,
sir. Ride out with the motherfucker.
Fuck yes.
Yeah, boy. All right, stay tuned.
Yo, we in Javi's car.
Let's some parts.
Oh shit. First time ever in the car. Yeah, I've been in your brother's car, but not yours.
Oh, that's right, that's right. What was your first time for her?
Yes, sir.
take on putting the headlight on. So you have your clip here, multi-pin. Go ahead, install. Make sure you got a nice snug fit. Bring your headlight toward the car. Very careful, don't mess up your paint. It's gonna be a couple little points here. There you go, a pin. Another pin here on the side. There you go. It's on. Alright. Go ahead and put your top bolt on. That way you have something to hold while you're working on the headlight itself. Now, this kit actually comes for the sequential turn signal. It comes with a wire. This yellow wire, you're going to go to your turn signal, plug, and find your blue wire. The black wire is your ground. Good thing is these lights, they come already with the ground for the blinker. So all you gotta do is splice the blue wire with the yellow wire. You get one of those fucking clips back there in your box. You can either do this the correct way or go with the cheapo way. Alright, so there you go, there you have it. We're gonna go ahead and put everything back on completely and then show you a video of the finished, complete look of the assembly. So stay tuned. We'll be back. Alright everybody, the moment of truth, full install, completed. WRX 2017-2016 headlight conversion into the new modern lights, blacked out housing. Check this out. Alright Chris, go ahead. Look at that. Woo! That is so good. You happy, boy?
Hell yeah!
You boy! Yeah, the car looks. Oh my God! Look at that. Close the door. Wow. Sequential turn signals. Beautiful. Yo, that shit looks crazy. Fucking nuts, dude. Completely worth it, dude. 100%. Look at that.
Oh,
looks like a different car.
Hell yeah.
Happy person.
Yes, sir.
Happy man.
Always. And remember,
Subscribe. Like and subscribe.
Cape Auto Meats.
Downshift production.
Well, it's actually Cam Car Meets, but that's what Cam stands for. It's Cape Auto Meets. So here's the what is the controversy of the name?
Yeah.
All right. The problem is we started 9 years ago with a friend of ours. It was Cape Auto Meets. That's what Cam was all about. But throughout the years, we moved on and we kept the Cam as the actual logo. You know, what everybody sees, what everybody recognizes. And we changed it. We kept Cam as Cam, and then we added the car meets because we do car meets and shit. So for all y'all always saying, hey, what the hell is Cam and why car meets and Cam? Well, that's why. All right. Now back to the car.
Bro, this came out better than expected. I no longer have water in my headlights anymore. Thank you, Javi, at Javi's Garage.
Yeah. All right.
Thank you very much. Y'all have a great day.
Peace.